Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two-part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 8 Science Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 9 Solar System and Some Natural Phenomenon. Video Part 1, Question number 1. Which one of the following is also known as a Great Bear? So you can see the picture of the constellations are shown in the option, and I have pasted the clear picture of all the constellation. The first one is your Orion, also known as Hunter. Second one is your Ursa Major, and this is known as Great Bear. You can see this constellation is matching with this one. Third one is your distorted W, that is Cassiopeia, and fourth one is the Canis Major. If you just rotate it down, it will look like this. Okay? So Great Bear is your Ursa Major. The first answer will be your option B. Question number 2. The nearest star to the earth after the sun is. We know sun is also the star and it is nearest to the earth and it is the part of the solar system also. But beyond the solar system there are many stars. ठीक है? और उसमें से सबसे nearest कौन है आपके? तो you can just see Proxima Centauri. This is your after the sun, this is the nearest star. And other stars are your Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B, but these are beyond the Proxima Centauri. So second answer will be option C. Second answer is option C. Question number 3. 1 light year is equal to dash kilometer. So first understand the light year is the unit of distance. And what is this distance? Distance means the distance covered by the light in 1 year is known as 1 light year. So how can we calculate? We know the distance formula is velocity into time. Okay? And we know the velocity of the light is 3 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer per second. And in 1 year, how many seconds are there? You can find it by multiplying 365 days with 24 hours, and in 1 hour there is 3600 seconds. So you will get 3.15 into 10 to the power 7 second. Okay? You can see all the distance are given in kilometer. So we will just find the distance in the kilometer only. So multiplying this B and T, you will get 9.4 something. Either you can call it 45 or you can call it 46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometer. It is in the option number A. The third answer will be option A. Question number 4. Which one of the following devices is used for detecting electric charge on an object? So, telescope. You all know telescope is used for watching the distant object which is kept very far away from us. Okay? Ammeter. Ammeter is used to measure the electric current. Okay? And electroscope. Electroscope is the device which is used to check or to detect the electric charge on any object. I have just shown the picture of the electroscope here. When any charged object brings near to this metal paper clip, what happens? The aluminium leaves just diverges with the charged particles, uh, so that we can know the object is charged. Okay? Answer will be option C. And coulomb is the unit of charge. The fourth answer will be option C. Question number 5. Which one of the following is safe in case of lightning? Standing in an open space. If you stand in an open space and if there is lightning and if the lightning can come on the earth to take the earthing, so if you will be in open ground, then due to your high height, the lightning can catch you. Okay, so standing in an open space is not safe. So this is cross. Standing under a tree, we should not stand under a tree because the height of the tree is more than you. That's my tendency to attract the lightning towards it. The tree has the high tendency. So that's why you should not stand under the tree because the tree can catch the lightning. So this is also wrong. Avoiding raising an umbrella. Yes, if there is thundering, lightning so much, you should avoid to take umbrella. Why? Because by taking the umbrella, the height is increasing. If your height is increasing and the tip of the umbrella is made up with the metal rod, so it can catch the lightning. Okay, catch the electric current from there and it can harm you. So avoiding raising an umbrella is the safe. Touching the metal pipes fixed on the building, no, because metal pipe can also attract the light. Answer will be your option C. Question number 6. Suppose a new planet is discovered between Uranus and Neptune. Its time period would be. So this is your Uranus and this is your Neptune. Some planet is found in Uranus. Okay? So time period is calculated. Actually, the time, what is time period? So time period is the complete revolution taken by any planet around the sun. Okay? So this time period is directly proportional to the distance from the sun. Distance from the sun. So as the distance increases, the time period will increase. As the distance decreases towards the sun, the time period will decrease. So we can say Uranus will have the least time period, and then this unknown planet, and then this Neptune will be the maximum time period. So less than the Neptune, yes, it is correct. Less than the Neptune. More than the Neptune? No, because Neptune is far away from this unknown planet. Equal to that of Neptune and Uranus can't be possible. Less than the Uranus can't be possible. Answer will be your option A. The sixth answer is option A. Question number 7. Which part of the earth consists of tectonic plates? So what are tectonic plates? We know the earth is made up with the three layers, mainly core, mantle and crust. Okay? So crust is the top layer of the earth and tectonic plates are the part of the crust somewhere which is just floating inside the earth, which is just floating inside the earth. And when it just collide, then earthquake is there. So tectonic plates are the part of the crust only. Tectonic plates are the part of the crust only. Option A will be the correct answer. Seventh answer is option A. Grade 8 Science Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 9 Solar System and Some Natural Phenomenon. Video Part 1, Question number 1. Which one of the following is also known as a Great Bear? So you can see the picture of the constellations are shown in the option and I have pasted the clear picture of all the constellation. So first one is your Orion, also known as Hunter. Second one is your Ursa Major and this is known as Great Bear. You can see this constellation is matching with this one. Third one is your distorted W, that is Cassiopeia. And fourth one, question number 8. The zone of Earth's crust which is prone to earthquakes is called. So earthquake, study of earthquake, seismographic, seismography. The person who study about the earthquake, those are your seismologists, and the equipment used for measuring the earthquake intensity, that is your seismograph. So the area which is earthquake prone area, that is your seismic zone. Option D will be the correct answer. 8 answer is option B. Question number 9. The following constellation is present in which of the following galaxies? So this is the Cassiopeia, you can see, and this is your distorted W, you can say, or distorted M, we can say. Okay, and it is present in our solar system, that is your Milky Way galaxy, near our solar system. The ninth answer will be option B. Milky Way galaxy is our galaxy. Okay. Question number 10. Choose the correct option for labeling and given figure of the earthquake. You can see the figure A. A is the top part. Okay? The crust of the earth. A is the crust of the earth, either C or D. Okay. Now B. B, I have just pasted the picture here for clarity. B is the epicenter. Okay? Which is on the crust. So B is your epicenter in the option C. So C will be the correct answer. You can match other options. C is the focus, yes, and D is your seismic waves. Yes, these are the seismic waves. So C will be the correct answer. 10th answer is option C. Question number 11. When a glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth, then the charge on the silk cloth will be. The charge on the silk cloth will be negative and on the glass rod will be positive. I have tested the triboelectric series. You can note it in your notebook. Which substances has the tendency to lose electron? So rabbit fur, hair, glass, mica, and wool, they have the tendency to lose electron. They are positively charged. Okay? So glass is in this one. So glass will lose the electron and positive charge will come on it. And silk, paper, wood, umber, rubber balloon, polystyrene, acrylic, polythene, Teflon, all have the tendency to gain electron. So that's why those will be negatively charged. So 11th answer will be your option B. On silk cloth, there will be negative charge. Question number 12. Brightest star in the Earth's night sky. In the Earth's night sky, the brightest star is it is mainly found in the Canis Major. Okay? And this is your C. Yes, this is the brightest star. So 12th answer will be option C. And we are talking about in the night sky. If it is asked about in the day sky, then sun will be the answer. But in the night sky, Sirius is the brightest star. Okay. Question number 13. Dash protects the building from the effect of the lightning. Actually, when there is the lightning and it has the tendency to reach on the ground. Okay? So if there is the lightning conductor on the building, then it will attract the lightning electricity and it will just settle down on the earth and the building or the person can be protected. So what will be the answer? Option C, lightning conductor. 13th answer is option C. Question number 14. When two ballpoint pen refills the same material, rubbed with the same material, polythene, and brought near each other, then they have both are rubbed with the same material. Okay? Polythene. So pen is made up with the same material, rubbed with the same material. So it means the both pen will get the same charge. The both pen will get same charge. and we know same charges repel each other. Same charge एक दूसरे को repel करता है. तो option B will be the correct answer. 14th answer is option B. Question number 15. What is the nature of force which is experienced between an electron and a proton? So electron has the negative charge and proton has the positive charge. So they both will attract each other. Okay? They both will attract each other. The force of attraction. 15th answer is option A. Question number 16. Lightning is the phenomenon caused by. So, charges produced in the clouds? Yes. Sudden movement of the tectonic plates? No. Earthquake is responsible here. Volcanic eruption? So, volcano is the result. Answer will be charge produced in the cloud. So, 16th answer is option A. Actually, you can just see here when the clouds rub each other, they both become charged. And if there it is highly charged, then your air becomes the conductor of the electricity. And these charges has the tendency to reach the ground. As you can see, the cloud is till 12 kilometer from us, and it is nearby cloud is 1 to 6 kilometer only far away from us. So the for very few seconds the air becomes the conductor, and these charge the particles or the charged cloud just reaches to the ground to neutralize. Okay. Question number 17. Dash takes place between unlike charges. If the charges are unlike, they will attract each other. Like charges repel each other, unlike charges attract each other. So option B. 17th answer is option B. Question number 18. An earthquake is earthquake, volcanic eruption? No. Thunderstorm? No. Sudden shaking of earth? Yes. Due to the movement of the tectonic plate, there is the sudden shaking of the earth. That is your earthquake. Fast rotation of the earth? No. 18th answer will be option C. Question number 19. A positively charged object attracts another charged object kept close to it. Okay, what is the nature of the charge on the other object? To attract another charged object. If there is attraction, so definitely it is the opposite of positive, and opposite of the positively charged is the negative charge. Okay, so answer will be your B. 19th answer is B. Question number 20. Lightning conductor device was invented by, who invented the lightning conductor? It is Benjamin Franklin. 20 answer is C. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.